Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add Sapphire plugin in After Effects. Alright, let's begin. First, open any browser and search for Boris FX. After that, open the first website, and this type of interface will be displayed. Now, get to the Products tab, and then select the Boris FX suite. Here, click on the Download button, and then install the app. Once done, open the app, and this type of interface will be displayed. Now, there will be a bunch of options that you can choose. Simply, select the Sapphire plugin from the bottom of the list, and the compatible apps will start appearing. You just need to locate the After Effects tile on this page, and then click on the Install button. Once it's done, click on Continue and launch Adobe After Effects. Inside it, open any project, and then search for S_ in the effects bar. Once you do that, all of the Sapphire plugins will start displaying. So that's basically how you can add Sapphire plugin in After Effects. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.